y'all, welcome to another video. So this is week 2 of Parker's toy review. This week we are going to do an unboxing.
So I have the tin can robot. As you can see on the front, it's a little tin can robot. We actually have this this blue can, and we're going to turn it into that robot.
And then we have our battery. We haven't read the instructions yet, so we're gonna have to do that. This is what the back of the box looks like. So,
wait, show them all the there's all the parts that we need. Looks complicated, but I don't think so. Demi thinks it's complicated.
I think it's complicated.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Complicated. Why is it gonna be so hard?
So we have the instructions.
I need to get out this big jump. Oh, whoa. Okay, something just fell. We have cardboard piece.
Looks like the eyes and the plastic.
Ow! It hit me in the face. It was this cap thing, I think. And then we have this. Are these instructions? Yeah, these are the instructions.
Nice, because I was going to say the other ones right here are literally not in English. I can't read other languages.
Well, we don't need this.
So it says green science tin can. Pretty much all the instructions. And I'm going to be honest with you. I suck at instructions, so I guess we will just figure it out together. So I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up so that you guys can see everything. So we will...
you ready?
Bye.
It's hideous. It's just looking at you with two eyes.
Alright y'all, thank you for watching. Go ahead and comment, like, and hit that subscribe button. I accidentally hit it. Hit that subscribe button. And yeah, we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.